Okay, now we're going to use this grid to help us draw everything more easily and accurately. So we need to put our reference picture into this grid. So I will do that by going to Insert, Image, and I'm going to upload it from my computer. And it just went into the downloads. So I think that's the right little I think that's the right one. There we go. That's better. I can actually see the icons. That helped. Okay, so hopefully you have that option on your computer. It allows you to see the icons. All right, so good. Now I'm going to start off by just rotating it. Ooh. If I press Shift, it helps. There we go. Press Shift while you're doing that. I'm going to put it in the corner, and this will match the ratio of the grid that we have here. Okay. Boom, done. Now what I need to do, I can't see the grid anymore, so I need the grid to sit on top. So I'm going to select it, the picture, and see it's surrounded in the blue anchor point, so I know it's selected. And I go to Arrange, Order, Send to Back, and now I could see the table, the grid on top of it. If I'm not really happy with this and I want to maybe change it, like a different color, I can select the different bars. I press select, I click it, it's highlighted, and then I press Shift and I can select all of them. And then I can change this to white if that helps you see things a little better. Or maybe I can even do it to whatever color helps you. If you want to just keep it black, that's fine. Select them all. There we go. Click, click, click. I'm holding Shift down as I click that so it selects them all. And then, I don't know if you like yellow better or something, or red. Okay, if you also want to increase or decrease the size of that, you can. I thought 2 pixels was good though. Okay, so that's that. And now you could use your picture in there. If you chose to break down your grid even smaller, which was an option. If you just want to do the 4 boxes, that's fine. But if you know how to use a ruler really well and you want to do it smaller, then you could just open up this grid and do the same thing. So get your picture in there, rotate it correctly, put it into the corner, and drag this so that it fits into the grid. There we go. And then my picture is selected. It's surrounded in the blue anchor points. I go to Arrange, Order, Send to Back. And now I have the grid sitting on top of it. So that'll work. But yeah, that's it.